Hello guys, welcome back on a technology battlefield. I'm Helen Khoslas to tell you in these tutorials how to unlock especially any activation locks. Right now this especially on this device, this has been locked to owner and asking her enter the Apple ID and password that's were used to set up this device. So we don't know what's the actual ID and the password of this device. Or in a case if it were in a lost mode, blacklisted, or a stolen money. In that situation also this strategy will works. Each day having the unlocking multiple Apple device by virtue of this method. So as we see guys, if I have data cable, I have it connected to PC as we see, and thereupon as we see here. Now 3U tool has notified automatically guys, so just we will come the toolbox 2, just to go for crash analysis and go in the file inside and delete everything. So guys, we had it deleted now. Now here it is a stealthy, it has been the detected and just saying the lost mode, it is the applied in password. So now what we have to do, we will have to come on especially here, right, IPSW, and thereupon of course we will come here to a download IPSW. So just go for here, come and select the if iPhone, and thereupon of course we will have to select IPSW. Now here we will have to choose, and of course you can download IPSW. Just we will click on the smart flash. Now we will go for here to the clicks. So directly we can import IPSW, or here with one clicks you can also download. So just we would like to the import. I had downloaded from specific website. So just we will go for here import. Let's see which one we will have to confirm. 16.7.9 or 16.7.8, anyone out of, so 16.7.8 this is. So directly here we can import. So we will click here import and thereupon, so let's see, we will click here import and we will come the download options in the 16.7.1 IPSW. So now it's verifying. Select here the quick flash mode. This is a don't go for selection of retain user data, this feature guys, or anti-recovery flash mode or fixed flash. Retain user data means data would be retained or remain, so that's why actually don't select. Anti-recovery don't select, go for quick flash mode. It will give you the quick results of it. So it has been finally imported. We will select this one. Now it has been highlighted, and thereupon before execution of anything, just we will have to go for run as administrations, and that is especially imaging PC. This is a very crucial step that we need to execute. We need to execute on accurate times for on the to the specific time. So now see here, just we will close, and this is X. So just we will go for let me it's demanding again and again, I don't know. Just we will click here to forget. This is another device that is of course recently I unlocked especially by this method, that's why actually. So now successfully it's disconnected from here. Now we have this X device, so just we will close it, and of course here I don't know, it will interrupt you again and again this, so don't worry. Just we will click on here will come the show reverse the console and of course the clear. So now all the gathering the old data, just we will back and once again we will try to the clear. So now see guys, it's a clearing. Now see, still it's a clearing. Let me cancel, some we will clear. Now see, it's a clearing. So almost coming till the date of 2 days. Now see this one. Now what we will have to do guys here, clear. Let it accumulate here, just we will have this ones here. It will interrupt you again, just to clear. Let's backs and we will see now. We will clear. So now it's all. On the other hand, now we will have to especially come in here in the toolbox and we will select the REC mode. Just we will back it and thereupon. I don't know, it's asking again and again. See how quickly it's messaging, because it's clearing all the console. That's why happening here. No, just we will have to close this browser. Here we will have to clear this console. Now they come here to REC, just put this there in REC. Let's clear quickly this one. So almost we have clear this console. Whiter screen, no, black screen is coming now. Fine. Now we have to, if nothing is coming, then we will have to close. Then now see this iTunes is saying that it has been reached into the recovery. So just to close this iTunes also. Let me close. Now only one 3 tool remain here. Just quickly come the smart flash to selected this one that I had imported, and of course we had selected this one's quick flash mode and go for just fix the battery during the health of that, or fix battery health during flash and hit this one. So now it has been reached on 9%. Let's see further what's the error will come. We will address everything guys. Yeah, it's actually a little bit, especially I'm difficult to the execute on a especially on a specific times, but what we can the especially I mean unlocking the Apple device, that is also very difficult. So that's why actually with the help of jailbreaks it's very easy guys. Within 5 to 10 minutes we can the bracket, but this is not permanent matter, but here it's a permanent matter. That's why I'm trying. So now see white screen. Now once again it has been reached on a DFU. So again it can be a 2-3 times. Don't worry, until unless any error is not coming, don't disconnect. So see now once again it has start to reboot and it has reached in a recovery, and once again it has elected. So now it's going on a 18%, but when it crosses especially more than 30%, then of course I will rely that this can be a unlocks, because as we know that before 30% it will give you multiple times the error, but now see it has elected and it has been reached on 30%, so almost it will now works. It's a totally the game of especially Apple database server, guys. So just to do smartly on a specific time, guys. And one thing more, that during the flashing, of course, the device may restart multiple times, of course. So please don't unplug the device. Don't disconnect the device from the PC, guys. Now it's a live recorded, guys. It's a live recording right now, and as we see here, 9:31 and 10-minute expand here. Now further we will see 10-minute more, actually, hence here it would be recommended. Now 38% is completed, so we will see further. Let's see. Now it has been reached on at 39% is fine, 40% is, %, guys. %45 is. I see, if you are facing any kind of the challenges here about the software, then of course raise the query below the comment box spontaneously. If you are having any related to software and the hardware, then of course you can raise, because sometimes hardware also will, especially may the cause to, especially to not unlock this device. How it shows, because RAM is a very important of your PC, that should be 8 GB, because operating system, either it is a Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 or 10 or 11s, it will work so fantastically when you will open a multiple apps in the worst time when RAM is sufficient, more than 8 GB. Simultaneously, of course, SSD, if it is included on your PC, then of course it will work also fantastically. So this kind of the things we show. Simultaneously, of course, data cable, that should be a good, and thereupon make it the system where we can unlock the multiple apps, Apple device, guys. So similar way, and before the proceeding this the process, of course it's also very important, so that you have to assure that internet connections will be good, and before doing the whole the procedure, you have to download IPSW. That should be a beta version. If it is not beta version, then directly you can download by virtue of especially I mean 3U tool. In 3U tool also you can come on this website, that www.3u, and where we will have to go for we will have to go in a firmware, and there we can download this, select the model number, everything, and thereupon you can select. And if you would like to unlock this by virtue of jailbreaks also, just raise the comments below the comment box. I will also show you with the help of jailbreaks also. And this percentage is coming according to the when especially firmware updater, any other data is assigning that condition, it will So multiple times and this can be expected to restart, so don't worry. If any error will comes, then it will notify you in the red color. So here now see 100% is firmware updater, and once again it will start with the first 2 hours. So let's see what's going to happen further. Now see flashings, the firmware now updating the Stockholm. So 2-3 crucial especially step that we need to execute at the end, so that's also I will show you, don't worry. On accurate on the specific time you will have to, and sometimes if it is any error is coming and once again it's demanding the any ID, then of course we will apply there also. That is a special virtual private network of the soul zone. But one thing more also we will have to input, we will have to know, guys, that what's the sales area of these phones. Yes, if error will come, then we can fix it in this error by using or changing the internet connection also sometimes, because on the specific internet there is not a configure some apps and applications. So in that condition also, especially not to speak of other apps and applications or software, 3U tool is not sometimes configured, guys, also. So that's why. Now 71 and it's taking time here, but don't worry. Maybe sometimes actually digitally it's not functioning, but internally it was actually flashing, so it will directly go on a 100%. Now see the congratulations, the play and the clean flash and the fixing of the battery health issue have been especially successful. So fine. Now it has started to reboot, guys, here. So this is also very important things that happening here. So now we will have to come especially toolbox. We will have to check it out when it's going to highlight it. Now it's restarting, so fine. Now it has been highlighted, so the quickly 10 to 20 seconds, of course, go for hit this ones. So under activation it's saying now, see, guys, let's see if any error will comes, then we will fix it by creating sales area of this device or by changing the internet connection, guys. This is a crucial step that now we have to execute. Now under activation it is fine, no problem. Let's see if any error will come, then we will see. It's taking time, guys, here, but don't worry. On the other hand, there, especially on this device, as we see, it's rebooting. It's also a little bit accelerating of this one. So files, it's done on a accurate time, guys. Now see here, activation successfully done, guys. Now, so what you say? Of course, 100% it would be unlocked now. Yes, just come for OK, and thereupon we will have the one option deactivation. So just hit this one. So just we will hit this one also. So we will have to wait it in second here, and it's here on the other hand. See, it's a little bit. Now it's here. Came with the hello screen. So we are not going to do anything. Just hit this one, deactivate options, and the one it's also successfully done. So now both strategy has been fantastically worked. So now it's the time to, yes, come on, open iTunes. So before opening the iTunes, we will have to select this one. We will have to select the countries, and thereupon just hit this ones. Open iTunes. We will select these ones, guys. We will select this one, customs. We will select the preferred language. We will select the key, and we will go for select choose Wi-Fi, anything. So don't select in here, guys. Be alert for it. Don't do anything here. Just let it firstly message. Welcome to a new show. Finally, on the basis of Apple database server from that side, yes, it has been now unlocked finally. See here. Welcome to new this device. So now, without doing any internet connection or Wi-Fi connections, we will directly go for continue. So let's see what's going to happen here. There is no any internet connections. Now we will have to wait and check it out. On iTunes, it is saying clearly that this is unlocked. So go in the sign in, and we will go in create a new Apple ID and password here by virtue of signing. But on this device is not unlocked. So we will see here just to go for create. So now it will assess once again. Now see, guys, here it has done privacy, and this thing is coming. So set up this later. We don't have any passcode here, guys. Let's have this one especially on here. We don't have any passcode. Just we will select don't select. We will select don't use. Don't transfer the data, guys. We will have to accept the term and condition. Fine. And thereupon we will select only download automatically. No, directly we will go for not now. We will go for location, no problem at all. So now voice extra, I don't know, and things that so fine. We will go for the closet. We will go for not now. Set up this later. Don't say. We will go for us. Zoom in and the standards. Fine. We will go for it. Welcome, sir. Fine. I don't know the why. Yeah, fine. It comes. Now see, guys, here. There is nothing inside, and it's asking the connect to the internet to sign in your phone. So now, if you would like to sign, then we will have to connect a Wi-Fi. Otherwise, directly we cannot. So why not? Will the connect a Wi-Fi? Now that we can connect here, guys. So let me have here. Password. We will join it. So now see internet connection. We will sign in. Now it's coming. We will click on a don't have. We will go for create new Apple ID and password. So now see it's it will start, and by virtue of if you would like to create, so directly we can create by also it will directly catch it that. So easily you can have the gap. Now date of birth is the thing, so that and name. So date of birth and name is the things that it means definitely we will have the options to generate new Apple ID password as a new on this device also, along with by virtue of iPhone also. So what you see, guys, here. This is all about in this video tutorial. For the main inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to the reply of the query, and if you found, if it has the benefit to you in any way, then don't forget like, subscribe, and share. Please ponder on it. So thank you, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.